Guys, welcome back to a new video. So today's video I wanted to do something a little different. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes and sponges. So if you want to see how I achieve this and how I clean my brushes and how you can clean yours too, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and tell everyone to subscribe. And if you like more videos like this, give it a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys into my next video. So you guys just saw my dirty brushes. The first thing I'm going to be using actually for this video to clean my brushes is just my bar soap. I used to use I guess dishwasher. Yeah, it's dishwasher. I used to use dishwasher and olive oil, but then I started thinking and I'm like, I wouldn't put dishwasher soap like on my face, you know? So now I just use a normal bar soap, and what I do is I wet the bar soap and I foam it into my hand, and I just take a few brushes at a time and I just kind of swirl it on my hand. And I swirl it on my hand because sometimes like some stuff gets like stuck in the middle, so it's just easier to swirl. And then as you're swirling, like you see like all the color coming out of the brushes, and I just keep doing that honestly until the brush is clean and to my liking. So you see me swirling it, and then I rinse it out a little bit, and if I want to try removing more color, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing with my soap and foam it into my hand and just kind of keep swirling into my hand so that like all the dirt comes out. It's really simple and really straightforward, and honestly, like, it doesn't take me that much time when I think about it. It just depends like if I keep a lot of brushes dirty like at the same time and I have to brush a lot. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that, and then I'll put them on the side so that they can start drying. And yeah, you just see me kind of like brushing. I brush through very thoroughly because I don't want anything to stay stuck. I want them to be as clean as possible. And I know that it's very important, guys, to wash your brushes as much as possible. Like, I should be taking this advice too because I honestly don't wash or clean my brushes as much as I should. I'm going to like be very open with you guys and very truthful. I don't clean my brushes as much as I should. I should clean them more often, but you know, I would say if you can clean them at least once a week, that's good, especially if you wear makeup a lot. I don't necessarily always wear makeup, but I feel like lately I've just been very lazy, honestly. So yeah, I'm just try, cleaning them as much as possible. Ideally, after every time you use your makeup brushes, it would be ideal to just clean them, but I don't even do this, so I'm not gonna tell you guys to do it. But yeah, so here you see me. This is a second method that I do use as well. Sometimes when, let's say, the material on the brush is like very thick or there's a lot like stuck inside of it, I just swirl my brush directly on the bar soap. And this is like way easier, guys, especially for my foundation brush. Like, look at all the dirt that's coming out, or all the foundation that's coming out from that brush. So if I would have tried swirling it in my hand, it would have taken me ages. So for brushes that I usually use for like thicker products, like my foundation, or like very thick lip stuff or concealer and stuff like that, I just automatically swirl the brush on my soap. That way I can like actually see what's coming out, and it's easier for me to like get inside, because especially with my foundation brush, a lot of the product stays in the middle, like the surface or the outside is clean, but a lot of it stays in the middle, and I want to make sure that I get everything out because we don't want to break out. So that's what you see me doing. And now I'm going in and washing my sponges. For my sponges, I always just rub them against the bar soap as well. So this is my small sponge from Beauty by BD. And fun fact, guys, I actually recently just lost this sponge, and I'm so sad because the sponge was the best thing ever, especially for like my eyes and just underneath my eyes and those small corners that you can't get when you're trying to blend your concealer. Yeah, I'm really sad because I lost it. But basically what I'm doing, I'm just gonna keep swirling my beauty blender. I do one side at a time, so I just wet it and I swirl it on the brush until basically it's like pretty much clean. And you know, like if you keep doing it a few times, all of the product is gonna go out. Like you see that that side was pretty much clean, and now I'm gonna go ahead and deal with the top. And yeah, that's just basically what I do. It's very simple and very straightforward. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm really open to answering any of your questions. But yeah, this is how I clean my makeup brushes, guys, and it really doesn't take that long. So here is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was really simple and straightforward. As you can see, my brushes and sponges are clean and ready to use again. And yeah, I'm just happy and glad to use them, because using clean brushes is always like really amazing. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.